Hello, I'm going to compare Alldebris versus Alldebris versus Alldebris versus Premiumize versus Premiumize. Which debris service is better? So real debris, Alldebris, and Premiumize are premium debris services that provide access to high-speed download links from multiple file hosting sites. Pros: Alldebris, wide capability with numerous streaming platforms and fast download speeds at a lower price point. Alldebris offers excellent support for a range of file hosts and extra features like torrenting support, Premiumize features, an all-in-one solution with VPN, Usenet access, and cloud storage, in addition to debris services. Cons: Alldebris, limited to a smaller range of additional features compared to competitors. Alldebris, slightly higher pricing and occasional issues with slower speed during peak times. Premiumize, more expensive, especially if you only need debris services, making it less cost effective. So in conclusion, Alldebris offers the best value for general use. Alldebris is great for diverse file hosting, and Premiumize is ideal if you need a full-featured media and file management solution.